Hello everyone! Today we'll be exploring some smart and stylish design ideas for small bedrooms. Whether you're living in a small apartment, a cozy house, or even a van, these tips will help you make the most of your space. Let's dive into these practical and creative ideas that can transform your small bedroom into a functional and inviting retreat. End of the bed storage. One classic and practical idea is to add storage at the end of your bed. This solution not only looks stylish, but also provides a convenient spot for extra blankets, seasonal items, or toys. It's a great way to keep your room tidy without sacrificing aesthetics. Built-in storage. If you're planning a more permanent change, consider built-in storage. This approach keeps the floor space open and the room feeling clean and streamlined. Built-ins can be customized to fit your specific needs and can greatly enhance the functionality of your bedroom. Elevated bed. An elevated bed can create additional floor space underneath, which is perfect for storage or even a small desk area. This idea works well for both children's rooms and adult bedrooms, offering extra space without taking up more room. Under bed storage. Utilizing the space under your bed is essential in a small bedroom. Beds with hinged frames can house storage boxes, keeping your belongings organized and out of sight. This solution is ideal for maintaining a minimalist and clutter-free appearance. Compact joint desk and bed. Multifunctional furniture, like a combined desk and bed, is a great option for children's rooms. It saves space and provides a unique and fun area for kids to play and study. Small single bed. For extremely tight spaces, consider a small single bed. This option is perfect for younger children or a guest bed that isn't used frequently. It offers a cozy sleeping area without taking up too much room. Sofa bed. A sofa bed is perfect for a multi-purpose room. It serves as a comfortable sofa during the day and easily converts into a bed for guests at night. Adding a long pillow can help stabilize the sofa part of the bed. Attic bedroom. Transforming an attic into a bedroom is a great use of space. It can be a quiet and charming retreat for kids or guests. If you're remodeling, consider adding a skylight to bring in natural light. Built-in bed. Strategically placing a built-in bed in a corner can make the most of a small bedroom. This setup often includes additional storage and creates a cozy, efficient sleeping area. Creative corner. Even in tight spaces, you can create a functional and creative corner. A shelf with a pull-out table can provide a compact workspace or a cozy nook for reading. Custom built-in cabinet. Custom built-in cabinets are essential for small spaces. They maximize storage while keeping the room looking neat and organized. Take time to plan and design built-ins that suit your needs. Room divider screen. A room divider screen can visually divide space in a studio or small apartment. It's an excellent way to create distinct areas without building permanent walls. Neutral bedroom decor. Using neutral colors can make a small space feel larger and less cluttered. Light, soft hues are easy on the eyes and can create a calming atmosphere. Feature wall. If you prefer a pop of color, consider creating a feature wall. It can add personality and a sense of grandeur to your small bedroom without overwhelming the space. Vertical storage. Maximizing vertical space is crucial in small rooms. Shelves and tall cabinets can provide additional storage without taking up valuable floor space. Don't stop here. There's plenty more creativity to explore, so stay tuned for more inspiring decor to elevate your bedroom decoration. Keep watching. Thank you for watching. I hope these smart and stylish design ideas inspire you to transform your small bedroom into a functional and beautiful space. Remember, with a bit of creativity and planning, you can make any small space work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design tips and ideas. See you next time.